In this video, we're going to be opening up many search ranking pages at the same time. So if you have to open up a bunch of pages and you're dreading doing it manually, this is the video for you. So here is the list of all of the keywords we want to open up the pages for. So let's select all of these keywords. Let's copy them. Let's open up a spreadsheet and let's paste them into the spreadsheet. And now what we want to do is we want to grab one of them and paste that in to Google and see how it shows up. So the link structure is right here. So what we want to do is we want to go in the column next to it and we want to go equals CON for concatenate, and then we want to concatenate, we want to open quotes and we want to paste it, and then we want to remove the part where there is right after the Q. So when you're doing a Google search, it does Google search $Q equals. So we want to put the end quotes right there, and then we want to do comma, and then we want to do substitute, because what we want to do is we want to substitute all of the spaces. So let's see, there should be a substitute text to search. So we want to search that text. So we want to find all of the spaces and we want to replace them with plus signs, and then we want to close it, and then we want to close that whole thing. So we're getting an error, and that's because there's this extra symbol right here. So now we should be able to open that up. So let's go and put that all the way down, and now we're gonna have the search keywords for all of them. And what we should be able to do is select here at the top, and we can even just drag down, and what we should be able to do is do Alt Enter. You are trying to open too many links at once. Okay, so let's open, can we do 20 links? Alt Enter, and they're all going to open up. So we can close these last two. All of these are going to open up, and we can then do the next 20. So 21 to 40, Alt Enter, and now those are going to open up. And then we're going to do the last 20 or so, or let's see if we can just do the rest of them. That's funny, the whole computer is slowing down trying to do this. So let's do all of these and let's Alt Enter those, and now we have, it looks like 60 freaking links open. And so that's how you can open up a bunch of links really fast. You know, if there is a pattern to them, and here the pattern was, it was a Google search. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more tips like this, click subscribe on the channel, like the video if this was useful to you, and thank you for watching.